Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of FH Flow, Focused Honest Flow. So today it's about giving your team the time. And especially in times of changes, you should think about that only one thing a day you can really change. Recently I've been in a company, they told me we want to change everything. You cannot change everything within one moment. It's not possible at all. They want to change their logistics department, to change their sales processes, they want to change the legal affairs, everything. They want to change the entire business. So the key issue is to focus on really that the people can change only within step by step. And this is the most important thing. So give the people their own pace and their own time to change. And when they have their own time, they will have the comfort, and it's important to give them this time. So take care that the people follow you, and you can change within 100 days a lot of things. Imagine you change one thing a day, how much you can change within 100 days. It's just 3 months. So be patient and give your team time to change and adapt, and they will follow you. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Yours, Felix Heinicke, FH Flow, Focused Honest Flow. Bye bye.